For the 5th day of our chicken and egg diet, we need 4 eggs from a female hen, to which we'll add grated cheese, garlic sauce, chopped onions, and a nice touch of seasoning. We'll mix it all together. This will be the filling for our chicken breasts, which will now flatten out nicely with our pleasant spanking. Bang, bang, bang. Once we have it ready, we'll insert our brilliant egg mixture into the chicken meat and wrap it up carefully. Then, we'll place it in a baking pan in a baking plastic bag, gently poking some holes in it. We'll put it in the oven at around 189 degrees Celsius for approximately 36 minutes. And there it is, it looks incredible. Before we dig in, we'll refine it by adding cranberry and garlic sauce on both sides, and on top, we can sprinkle the remaining egg mixture. Mmm! Just look at this beauty. Sometimes I can't believe my eyes. What are we humans capable of? This is as good as can chicken breast get. It's the best meal I've had today, and perhaps the best throughout the entire 5-day chicken and egg diet. Yummy yummy in your tummy.